Welcome to Grade 8 Mapeh class. And good morning. I am your virtual teacher for the school year 2020 to 2021. I am Ma'am Pat or Ma'am Emeline Patricio, but I prefer to be called Ma'am Pat. Now, let's start our day with a prayer. Prima, can you please, Miss Somoray, please read the prayer?
Okay po, ma'am. True source of light and fountain of wisdom,
Seems that we
pour
have
forth
some
your
technical
brilliant
problem.
A penetrating mind to understand, a retentive memory, method, and ease in learning, the lucidity to comprehend, and abundant grace in expressing myself, guide the beginning of my work, direct its progress, and bring it to the successful completion. This I ask through Jesus Christ, true God and true man, living and reigning with you and the Father forever and ever. Amen. Okay. So, this is our first day of virtual class. So, siguro wala namang absent. Tama ba? So, perfect attendance. But before we start, we have first our netiquette. Mga dapat tayong sundin. Number one, be punctual. Tulad din ng ordinary or traditional classroom, kailangan natin wag laging late. So, 5 minutes before or 10 minutes before our class, please check the gadgets, kung lowbat ba or the connection. Number two, attend my class with one activity notebook and a ball pen for you to take down notes, some important details na wala dito sa presentation ko. Next, turn off the microphone while virtual class is ongoing. Parang sa ordinary classroom na when I discuss tapos maraming nagsasalita, wala ring magkakaintindihan, hindi tayo magkakaintindihan. Use the comment box for suggestions and questions and answering the questions or answering the activities if I told you to do so. Wait for your turn to ask question. Ayan. I'm giving you time para magtanong. Pero wag mo na mag-interfere doon sa discussion. No harsh words are allowed. Comment man yon or live, hindi pwede. Be open-minded. Pinaka-importante to. Be open-minded and mature enough in understanding the topics to be discussed. Grade 8, you are just 12 to 13 years old, so medyo lawakan natin ang pag-iisip natin this time. Why? Lalo na yung sa topic natin. What will be our topic? Bakit nanghihingi ako ng malawak na pag-iisip? This will be our topic. Yan. Human sexuality. Pag sinabi natin human sexuality, what comes in your mind first? You can turn on your mic. Miss Somoray, anything? Any idea?
Ma'am, sexuality po yung identity mo as a person.
Okay. Very good. So, dito malalaman natin na human sexuality is not just about sex. Okay? Sexuality is a major and healthy part of life. It is everything about male or female. It is the most important aspect in masculine or feminine identification. Sexuality involves the name given at birth, the toys played with, and the roles and responsibilities at home. Sexuality provides a sense of self-worth when sexual understanding is positive. So, sexuality daw ay kung ano ka, kung anong klaseng tao ka, kung ano ang dapat mong laruin. Kasi meron tayong mga traditional standards before. Yes, very good. The totality of the person, gender identity, very good. Students. So, masasabi dito na kung ano daw, kung ikaw ay si Juan, malamang lalaki ka. Kung ikaw si Joy, malamang babae ka. Diba? Hindi pwedeng maghuwan si Miss. Kasi that is the standard. Okay? Pati yung laruan. Kung ano yung nilalaro ng babae at lalaki, dapat naka-set of standards. Kasi kung naglaro si lalaki ng Barbie, ay Barbie, iba yun. Diba? May mga ganun tayo kasing sistema or ano bang tawag niyan, standard. Next. The purpose of gender and human sexuality education is to promote wholesome family and interpersonal relationships. Aims to provide knowledge and skills needed to establish and practice healthful behaviors. Finally, it aims to produce students who are responsible and have healthy sexuality. So in this topic, marami tayong matatakel. Kasama na doon yung magkaroon ng healthy sexuality. Not more on sex, but the safe sex. I-discuss natin yan. It is important to have clear outlook of yourself. Then you will be able to focus on your good points and develop your weakness. If you know yourself well, you will know what you must do to stay healthy. Ayan. Walang ibang taong makakakilala sa iyo kundi dapat sarili mo. You know yourself, you must know your weakness, you must know your strength. Alam mo dapat kung saan ka magaling, and alam mo dapat kung saan ka dapat mag-aral para maging magaling. Okay. So, kilalanin natin ang sarili natin. Sexuality refers to your perceptions, feelings, and behaviors towards others. So, how you see others. Kung ang tingin mo sa lahat ay kalaban, then there's something wrong with you. Pero kung ikaw ay kaibigan ng lahat, then you have a healthy sexuality. How you think of others. Paano ka ba mag-isip sa iba? Siguro to si pinag-uusapan ako pag wala ako. Okay? Pero kung puro nega ang nasa isip mo, then may kailangang i-improve. Okay? How you feel about others. Kailangan yung nararamdaman mo rin nasa tama. Hindi yung porket, sorry for the word or term, bakla siya or beki siya, galit ka na. Diba? Ano bang ginawa sa'yo? Kung wala namang ginawa sa'yo para masaktan ka, para magkaroon ka ng damage, walang problema dapat dun sa tao. So, how you love? Paano ba magmahal? Marunong ka ba magmahal? Okay. Healthy sexuality encompasses the following characteristics. There are the characteristics for healthy sexuality. Self-love, your acceptance of yourself. Sabi ko nga kanina, walang ibang tatanggap sa'yo kung hindi mo tatanggapin mismo yung sarili mo. Kung ikaw ay babae at babae ang gusto mo, ngayon, basta wala kang ibang natatapakan na tao. Next, self-knowledge, your understanding of your feelings and your character. Kung gusto mo ng mga activities na hindi suited para sa gender mo, ngayon, kung kaya mo namang gawin. Kung may mga idea ka na hindi na iisip ng ordinary na babae or lalaki, ngayon, basta, sabi ko nga, uulitin ko, wala kang natatapakang ibang tao. Self-confidence, your awareness of the things that you can do well. Yan. Alam mo dapat kung saan ka magaling. Pero iba yung magaling sa nagmamagaling. Or iba yung confident sa mayabang. Okay? Alam mo naman yan sa sarili mo. Self-respect. Walang ibang re-respeto sa'yo kung hindi mo, ikaw mismo sa sarili mo, hindi mo re-respetuhin. Okay? So, kailangan mong sabihin na I am a worthwhile person. Mahalaga ako. Kahit sabihin ng iba na hindi ako mahalaga. Alam ko sa sarili ko na mahalaga ako. Next, self-expression. Your way of showing your individuality in expressing yourself as a man or a woman. Yan. Kung ano ang nararamdaman mo, kung paano mo yon i-express. Ano ba ang, kung ikaw ba ay lalaki at gusto mo rin ay lalaki, walang problema doon. Basta ang pag-express mo sa tamang lugar. Next, bear in mind that human sexuality is important because of the following. It teaches you that giving and receiving love is a human need. Ayan, kailangan yun. Walang taong hindi kailangan or hindi ayaw mahalin. Lahat gusto ang pagmamahal, gustong mahalin. Okay? So, it's normal. Pero kung marami ang mahal mo, it's abnormal. Charot. Joke lang po yun. It helps you appreciate your sexual identity. You have to appreciate your own. Sabi ko nga, kung ikaw ay babae and then gusto mo din babae, okay. That's it. Walang problema doon. It makes you respect your own and other person's body. It makes you experience body changes and learn how to properly manage these things. So, nasa puberty stage kayo, so maraming physical changes ang nangyayari, but you have to deal with it. Lahat dumadaan dyan. It makes you appreciate how life began. In this lesson, malalaman din natin, paano ba ang mabuntis? Or paano ba ang makabuntis? Or kailan ba dapat makabuntis? Okay? It makes you, it provides you information on how to be disease-free and how to live a healthy lifestyle. So, you must know how to be disease-free. Kailangan safe sex. Hindi lahat ng lovemaking is safe. Not unless ikaw mismo ay nag-iingat. Gender and human sexuality. Ayan. Kasi mamaya malalaman nyo what is the difference between gender and sex. Okay? Gender is a social concept on how men and women should think, feel, and act. It refers to femininity or masculinity of person's role and behavior as defined by society. Human sexuality is the quality of being male or female. It is the way in which we experience and express ourselves as human beings, as sexual beings. So, yun ang sinabi ko kanina, standard. Kung babae ka, ang laruan mo dapat, manika, dolls. Pag lalaki naman, guns or cars. And sa human sexuality, dadagdag ko lang that sexual urge is normal. Okay? Kung wala kang nararamdaman na sexual urge, then baka ano ba yung impotent. Okay? Yan. These are the influential factors in human sexuality. So, dito tayo mag-start sa self. Kailangan mo ma-appreciate, sabi ko nga, appreciate your own body. You have to take responsibility for own behavior. Alam mo dapat na ikaw ang may sagot sa lahat ng ugali na ipinapakita mo. Sa behavior, sa characteristics. It's not your parents, it's not your peers or friends, but it's your responsibility. Is knowledgeable about sexuality issues. So that's why we are studying this, kasi to enlighten you about human sexuality. Peers express love and intimacy in appropriate ways. So, wag naman tayong masyadong PDA or public display of affection. Kung may gusto tayo sa isang tao, pwede nating sabihin, but in proper way, yung hindi tayo nakakaabala. Have the skills to evaluate readiness for mature relationship. You must know your standards. Kung sino ang magiging partner mo in life. Okay? Hindi porket gusto mo siya, matangos ang ilong niya, gwapo siya, yun na yun. Hindi dapat ganon. Dapat meron ka pa ring standard. Kumbaga nga, sa panahon ngayon, you have to be practical and mature. Next, interact with both genders in appropriate and respectful ways. Dapat marunong kang rumispeto. Sabi nga, respect begets respect. It's not asked. It is gained. Okay? Kasi kung may respeto ko sa iba, then ire-respeto ka nila in return. Respect both genders in all aspects. Almost the same sila, no? So, dito tayo sa both genders. Marami na kasi tayong gender may mga LGBTQ na tayo. So, kung ano man ang meron sila, kung ano man ang meron tayo, respetuhin natin ang isa't isa. Kung ano ang nararamdaman natin. Okay, this one. This is the most important influential factor. Family. Paano nga ba magkakaroon ng magandang impluwensya ang pamilya? You have to communicate effectively with your family. Mag-usap. Pag may problema ka, hindi lahat ng problema mo masusolusyonan ng barkada. No one will help you but your family. Lahat ng kaibigan nawawala. Unlike your family. Through thick and thin, nandyan sila. Is able to express love to family members. Ayan. You have to say, I love you. Sa edad nyo ba, nag-I love you pa kayo? Sino dito ang I love you kanina sa parents nila paggising or bago umalis papuntang trabaho? Anyone? Okay, very good. So kung merong mang nag-I love you dito, very good kayo. Sa mga hindi naman nakapag I love you pa, you still have time. Lahat. Okay? Perform duties and responsibilities at home. Okay? Hindi porket karapatan mong pag-aralin, wala ka ng obligasyon na mag-aral ng mabuti. Ano yun vis-a-vis. May obligasyon ng parents, ikaw, may obligasyon ka rin sa bahay. Next. Okay. So, kung kanina ang gender, ito, social concept. Sa sex naman, is the biological basis of being male or female. So, if you have penis, then you are a boy. Sa babae, may I ask you, what is the term used for the girls, ano ba yan? Sex organ. Anyone? Wala?
Ma'am, vulva po.
Yeah, ayan, very good. It's not vagina ha, it's vulva. Okay? Malalaman natin what is the difference between that pag na-discuss na natin pag dumating na tayo dun sa topic na yan. Gender equality, ayan, permits a man and a woman equal enjoyment of human rights. So you must know your human rights. Meron tayong mga sinisigaw, gender equality, kaya ng lalaki ang kayang gawin ng babae ang kayang gawin ng lalaki. But may may konting kwento lang. Baka nakita nyo sa social media yung babae na pinost ang lalaki kasi hindi daw siya pinaupo sa LRT or sa bus yun. So, is there gender equality in there? Parang nawala. Masyado tayong sa importante yung mga girls, no? Yung iba lang ha, not all. Next, gender role. refers to set of rules, characteristics, and expectation of how man or a woman should feel, think, and act as influenced by parents, peers, and society. Sabi ko nga, there are set of standards and expectation para sa atin. If you are a male, then you are expected to know how to drive agad-agad. Or you have to provide your family needs. Pag babae naman, you are expected to know the household chores. Lahat dapat ikaw ang gagawa. Okay? Sexuality is an integral part of what we do and who we are. It is the way in which we experience and express ourselves as sexual beings. It is a total expression of individuals' self-concept. So, yun tayo, yung kabuuan, yung tayo mismo, yung pagkatao. Yan. Tandaan niyo yan. Yan yung symbol ng male and female. Kasi dapat, ilalagay niyo yan sa notebook. Take down note niyo yan para sa next activity. But, yan tayo. Activity 1. I'll give you 1 minute na lang. Baguhin natin yan. I'll give you 1 minute to answer this activity in our comment box. Okay? Kailangan, pag nagsagot kayo, 1 to 10 na. M or F na lang, male or female. Okay? Para mabilisan na tayo, para ma-check ko na agad. Okay? So, number 1, giving birth. Timer starts now. 1 to 10 na ha. 60, 59, 7, 6, 5. Okay, may answer na 1 and 2, Miss Somoray. 3 and 4, Miss Somoray. Number 5, very good. Sheila, Miss Almonte, 1 to 6. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good, Miss Mangkaw. Kompleto ang 1 to 10. Okay, time's up. Stop answering. Okay, number 1, giving birth. Sino ang nanganganak? Siyempre, babae, walang iba. Making a living. Number 2, male or lalaki. Fixing the broken faucet. Male pa rin. Number 4, doing household chores. Yan ang sinasabi ko kanina. That's female. Number 5, helping the children with their homework. Walang iba. Female. Washing the dishes. That female pa rin. Providing the family needs, of course. Male. Attending children's meeting, usually female. Doing groceries, babae or female. Doing the laundry, babae pa rin. Okay, very good. Let's count your points later. Next. Okay, assignment na tayo. On a half-size cartolina or an Oslo paper, write quotations, sayings, or slogans that describe and reveal your likes, passions, and aspects of your personality. After sharing this online, post your output on your bedroom walls and be inspired. See example below. Yan, gagawa kayo ng sarili nyong graffiti. Pwedeng isang buong cartolina kung gusto nyo. Yan. Eto, digital lang to ha. Pero dapat mas maganda kasi pag actual nyo na ginagawa, you are more creative kesa sa virtual. Kasi ano yan, limited lang ang magagawa mo dyan. Pero pag drawing, hands-on mismo, marami kang idea ang magagawa. Next, the rubric. Okay. Creativity, 30 points. kailangan maganda, hindi pwede kay mampat ang pwede na. Ma'am, pwede na to, it's not acceptable. Dapat maganda. Uniqueness, walang kinopyahan. Pwede kang kumuha ng idea siguro online, but dagdagan mo ng, lang to ng sorry. Dagdagan mo ng sarili mong idea. And the content dapat related sa hinihingi ko sa subject natin, which is human sexuality. And a total of 80 points. Okay, question? Intindihan ba?
Yan, ma'am.
Okay.
Opo,
So,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
in our next lesson. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am. See you.
Thank